Hello all, I am Kori Asmarani from Gadjah Mada University Yogyakarta, Indonesia. I will be present about library strategy in adaptation of library services, Muhammadiyah University Yogyakarta, in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. The background about pandemic caused the education and learning system in Indonesia to change. The Minister of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia issued it in accordance with circular number. And then the Yogyakarta Muhammadiyah Library also makes efforts to keep learning. The UMY College Library has a strategy for the continuity of meeting users' information needs, especially in pandemic situation. They have blended learning, face-to-face learning, and online learning. For the phenomenon about the responses to visitors and users of online library services has decreased. In 2019, about 290 visitors. In the 2020, about 765 visitors, and then in 2021 about 189 visitors. For the percentage of visits and users of online library services, in January 71.8%, in February 68.7%, in March 79.4%. The source from UMY Library web traffic. The research question about what is strategy of UMY Library in adapting services considering the situation during the pandemic, and the second, what are the alternatives to strategic combination planning for UMY Library. For research purpose, to describe the extent to which the strategy for adapting UMY Library services during the pandemic situation, and to find out the alternative planning of UMY Library strategy combination. For the benefits of this research, to find out the strategy for adapting library services and also highlighting the roles and responsibilities of librarian professionals in a pandemic situation, and this research can help inform library adaptation strategies as an alternative that is adapted to the situation during this pandemic. Characteristic of informal active students who have used and visited library facilities: 2 informant male and 3 informant female. The total is 5 informant. Then the table of informant based on course level, semester, and origin of major. The first informant in the 8th semester from Legal Studies Department, second informant in the 4th semester from Public Administration Department, third informant in the 3rd semester from Electromedicine Department, fourth informant in the 4th semester from Legal Studies Department, the 5th informant from 8th semester in Communication Studies Department. UMY Library strategy have 3 aspects. The first is information access aspect. UMY Library consists of 21 libraries spread across institutions, study programs, faculties, postgraduates, and the central library of UMY. Although it's widely distributed, it has been integrated into one website. The second, organizational resource aspect. UMY Library has librarians and library staff from diploma and then bachelor until postgraduate levels. Libraries provide opportunities for librarians to participate in career development as librarians, either by further study education, training, internship, transfer, rotation, coaching, and etc. And then aspect of library services. UMY Library has a website service in the form of a catalog that can find out the availability of books. And then the repository contains thesis, dissertation, research, reports, and other can also be downloaded. And then database subscribed by UMY and Dikti. They have excellent services provided by the library, are information literacy training, Mendeley training, Microsoft Word training, blogs, and etc. For external factors, from informant interview results, the first informant and the second informant, and the 5 informant, they respond about threats dimension, and from the third informant and the fourth informant, they respond about opportunities dimension. From the informant response has the finding result about strength dimension. From informant number 1 and informant number 4, in collection availability, offline collection availability, online facility to web repository, and human resource, librarian very helpful from the opportunities dimension from Informa number 3, Informa number 4, and Informa number 5. They respond about promotion of facilities can be more creative, internal and external collaboration, electronic library access made easy, frequency of promotion of activities with community, and the third dimension about weakness from responses Informa number 2 and Informa number 5 about limited facilities, changing room facilities, less responsive librarian, information access such as online book lending is not yet available, and the fourth dimension about threats from Informa number 1 and Informa number 5, lack of promotion of activities and for information about library, services standardization or regulation is not emphasized enough. From the finding result, can analyze by 2x2 matrix, dimension strength and opportunities, use strengths to take advantage of opportunities, and weakness opportunity dimension to minimize weakness by taking advantage of opportunities, strength and threat dimension to use force to deal with threats, and then the weakness and threat strategy to minimize weakness and avoid threats. From alternative strategic planning, for dimension strength and opportunities, in order for the library to be able to adapt, it must be supported by librarians who have high work performance and motivation, and then librarian has a background in accordance with the professional field, and then libraries must also periodically update and add collection in accordance with current condition. Libraries must improving information technology is needed as a literacy medium, and then library provide access to services both online and offline that can be accessed by all users, include the entire academic community. Cooperation with alumni also makes partner opportunities wider, and the libraries use social media as a medium of communication, both as services assistance such as searching for information, making reservation to users. And then from weakness and opportunity strategy, the library budget has decreased due to the pandemic condition. It can be done by cooperating with donation of funds from alumni, and then the library maximize technology by holding literacy classes for the public with a fee, so that it supports the distribution of funds so that it is evenly distributed throughout the library. And library has recruitment of new librarian workers to increase the number of human resources, so that each librarian has a job desk according to their respective jobs. From alternative strategic planning, strength and threats strategy dimension, library provide access and training or certification facilities to librarians. Libraries give rewards or awards to librarians who have better abilities and motivation than other librarians. Library maximize online services in the form of social media management that easy to use by users. The library maximize offline services in the form of adding or updating collection. The library has service assistants to cope with the decline in users, both on the website and on-site, with the help tracing users' information needs, space reservation. From weakness and threat strategy, library must maximize social media as a means of promotion to users outside the academic community. To increase the number of users, library must maximize the website to provide information related to the facilities provided. And then the ability of human resources regarding library socialization needs to be improved as one of the wider marketing networks both in print and online, and make policies regarding user security in using library facilities so that there is no on-site decline. Based on the result on the research that has been described previously, it can be identified from the internal condition of the strategic management of the University Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta in the form of dimension of strength and also weakness. The conclusion obtained in the study are the UMY library strategy is good, include the quality of human resource, the availability of collection owned by the library, and also the accessibility of services. But there are weaknesses in the space and place facilities that do not meet the user's wishes. From the result of the analysis of external conditions in the form of the dimension of opportunities and also threats from the library, it shows that the strategy of the UMY library in taking advantage of opportunities has been carried out optimally, but there is dissatisfaction from the result of informant interviews in terms of delivering promotion to library services information. So it can be said that the strategy has not met the wishes of the users. Thank you.